Hello guys, so I welcome each and every one of you to this channel once again. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to customize or modify your shortcut on CapCut. So to do that, you need to come to the menu at the top left hand corner here. So you tap on this menu drop down, then you come to help, then you come to shortcuts. Now here are a list of all the shortcuts you can see on CapCut. Actually CapCut has up to 5 sections, so you could just over on anyone you like to modify. Now currently to split, I've modified this to Ctrl B, but usually it is Ctrl K. To split your clips on CapCut is usually Ctrl K, but I think I'm used to using Ctrl B. So I've modified and customized it to Ctrl B. Now you see this delete left and delete right. Now delete left, currently you can't use 2 letters at a time. I think being I can use 2 letters, I'll just press DL. You see, I'll just press DL, but I cannot use 2 letters at the moment. So instead of that, I can just decide to use Ctrl D. See, now I have modified to delete left as Ctrl D, and to delete right, let me just say Ctrl R. Now it says shortcut conflict. It says Ctrl R shortcut already belongs to timeline, and that shows the speed of panel. It now asks if I want to override it. If I override it, meaning Ctrl R won't be used for what it's usually used for before. It will now be used for deleting right, and I don't want that, so I'll cancel it. So now this is just basically how you customize your shortcuts on CapCut. Now you see record screen. Currently, to record your screen, you just press Ctrl Alt P. Now if I want to customize it now, you see it says click to modify shortcut. Once I tap on it, then I'll press, let me just, I want to press Ctrl Shift R. Yeah, now you see I have it modified already. So you have other things to also modify. Now split scenes. Split scene, I had no shortcut currently, but if I want to give it a shortcut, split screen, right, I'll just say, let me just say Ctrl Alt S. You see, I have it done. Now you see this in point. In point is currently I. Means I want to change this to Ctrl Alt I to. See, I have it. White hat point, I want to change it to Ctrl Alt O. So this is basically how you modify your shortcuts on CapCut. And after you've changed it to what you actually love, you save it. If you save it, you have it done. But if you didn't save it, it won't be activated as the shortcut. Yeah, so if you learned something from this video, let me know at the comment section, and if there is any particular thing you want me to make a video on, let me know at the comment section as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.